And what is up, people, and welcome back to another video on Crypto Planet YouTube channel. Today we are checking out Aesc. It is the layer 1 blockchain that is solving many problems of regular blockchains, and they want truly to implement crypto as the payment method all over the world in real world payments. We'll explore how their testnet is looking and how every single one of us can help them in testing the testnet, and for that we are getting something in return. You will see and you will understand at the end of the video everything that I have just mentioned, so without further ado, let's jump straight in. And we are starting on their website. Here we can find all the information about the project itself, but one really important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything, you need to know that this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one, and if you're thinking about checking, joining, or maybe investing into any crypto project, definitely do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational, and with that being said, we can jump straight to it. Aesc, layer 1 blockchain that is designed for physical economy. Many unique features are added on top of this project, and also their blockchain is currently in testnet phase. Important thing is that they are open for anyone to participate and test their testnet, and with testing people can get the points that will be then distributed and used in calculation for the airdrop event that is coming. So anyone who has done more tasks and collected more coins would have bigger value of coins distributed in the airdrop that is coming. Truly unique. Let's just check a couple of things that are separating Aesc blockchain from the others. First of all, they have DHG parallel execution, which means that different transactions and things that are happening on the blockchain are parallel. Other blockchains are having structured, or we can say connected transactions, which means they are going in series, one then the other and so on. And on Aesc platform or blockchain, it is happening parallel. As we can see, the parallel settlement, and here is how it is looking on traditional chains. They are going in the series, one then the other, and then after that one more, and here they are going in parallel. This is one of the biggest differences in creating the stability, and of course creating the better transaction speed, lower transaction fees, because each one is for itself, which is truly great. Here everything is explained in details, and for convenience purposes, if anyone wants to learn from themselves and explore, you can go to their website and the link is left in the description so you can check it out. The architectural pillars of the Aesc is, first of all, their DEX-driven dependency interface and optimistic concurrency control, which I just explained what exactly is. Sub-second, determinacy finality, which is really great. The determination of it is happening in less than a second. There is also the stable native payment abstraction. It is the X402 payment relay, and it lets user and enterprises interact using stablecoins, while relayers are handling gas abstraction in the background. Their blockchain is EVM compatible, and we can see compliance is there. Dual token economics is created and implemented in the blockchain, which is truly great. And also they have open interoperability by the default, compatible with EVMs. Truly great. As we can see over here, built for real-world settlement use cases. They want to close that gap that is built between real-world industries and crypto. Crypto is more as a payment network, but just for crypto transaction, they want to implement it in real-world transaction, in real-world solutions. A layered architecture for performance, usability, and also trust. We can see over here everything again explained, and here is that double or dual tokenomic system. We will have Aesc token and we have AEX token. Aesc, or the first token, is for governance, staking, security and value captured, and the other one is for gas fees, computation, API access and operations overall. I'll not go more in on their website. Maybe on the end of the video we will go and check their roadmap, their plans. As you can see, there is technology, solution, economics, roadmap, and more things overall, but these are the core things. I want to test their testnet and show you how anyone can participate, gather the coins with participation, and then with that get their place in the airdrop campaign that is coming, or the airdrop event, which will be event for dropping their tokens for the first time, which is truly great. Going to the testnet and going to the get started, and then we are on this page. This is page where everything that I mentioned, the testing, is happening. We have Aesc seeds, the great seeding, that is the calling of this operation itself, and first thing of course is to connect the wallet. Now I will click and I want to use my MetaMask. I will log in just a second, and now we can see connecting of the account to the seeds aescnet.com. It'll take a couple of seconds and now it is done. So now guys, as my wallet is connected, it is MetaMask wallet, is in simple first step, and it says over here get started step by step. First step is the claiming of one Aesc token for gas fees. Without it nothing can happen, so it is the core thing and the first thing. I have input my MetaMask wallet for Binance Smart Chain and I'm requesting right now one and successful one Aesc token. I have one Aesc token, it was here and I inputted my BCC chain, and also I have, and I needed to add their testnet to my MetaMask. I want to show you where it is found and I'm currently on it. We can see this is the account where I have one Aesc token. We have completed the first step. Now we are going and we need to claim 2000 test USDTs. This is not real money, this is test USDTs that will be available on their blockchain and that you can use for the testing things, for sending, for swapping, for bridging, and deploying the smart contract. I will click claim right now and you can see confirming right now, connecting of the itself. And guys, as I clicked on claiming the USDT, as we can see there is small network fee over 0.0001 Aeix token. That is why without that one we wouldn't be able to do any transaction or any testing itself. That was the next step, and now for the 5xing the rewards on testing, there is the option for bridging. You can transfer any amount of USDTs, for example $2, $1, any amount can be done. We'll go to the bridge right now and we can see from Binance Smart Chain it will go to Aesc testnet that I have on my MetaMask. First step for it is connecting with the wallet. One more time connection, here it is, and I have around 2.5 USDTs if I'm correct, and that is amount that I will bridge right now. With doing that and completing this step, I will 5x every single thing that I do or the points that I get. We'll go in that and go there in details in just a second, but I just wanted to explain you this bridging itself and transferring real tokens to their testnet is giving you massive boost. Switch to BNB chain and send to my address. As we can see over here, there is $6, but of course that is my token sum that I have, approving with USDT currently, and it will take probably a couple of seconds. There is small transaction fees. Of course, for every transaction, if it is not centralized, the transaction was submitted. And now guys, as it's shown over here, I have transferred and confirmed. On my MetaMask is in simple. I have just connected my MetaMask and input the amount. The transfer and confirmation on MetaMask has been done and has transfer initiated successfully. Let's see, and it says over here it may take 1 to 5 minutes, and let's see how long it will take. And it is done. 2.5 USDTs from my Binance Smart Chain MetaMask has been bridged and connected and transferred to the testnet. Now guys, I have just bridged the 2.5 USDTs from my Binance Smart Chain MetaMask wallet to the Aesc network. When you go to my MetaMask, you can see over here, when I go to it, you can see the 2000 of test USDTs are also there and one token for gas fees. Now I'm ready to perform all the tests and collect that seed points. This is the seed points, and just to explain one more time, when someone is conducting and doing the testing of the testnet, he is generating the seed points. It will be shown over here, and it needs to be synced, so it is shown how much it is performed. Now, for example, we have one simple task, and these are daily tasks. Two, as we can see, this is logistic task, cross address transfer of USDT or test USDT, and Aesc detected automatically when you send tokens between wallets on Aesc testnet. I'll go to my MetaMask right now. So I'm going on send and I'm picking the test USDT. I'm pasting over here the wallet address. It's important to be also on this testnet, so you can create one more. You can have a friend who is doing also this. You can send between one each other, and I will send, for example, 50 test USDTs. We'll continue right now. Of course, it will ask for confirmation, paying the fees. This is all testing. And we can see over here right away that the 10 seed has been added, that seed tokens has been added to my balance right away. It can be done up to 10 times a day if I'm not mistaken, and as we can see, 1 of 10 has been conducted. These are daily things, and we have the quote, we have the daily limit of actions that can be done, and it is 30 actions, 30 transactions, 30 test USDTs, plain USDTs, or deploying of smart contract. All of them combined can have amount 30, and each of the action is worth 1. That is really important. That is one. For example, standard trade, which is test USDT, call the X402 settlement contract using the test USDT detected when trade settle event is emitted. Also, we have the premium trade. Premium trade is one great thing, and we can see transfer real USDTs via X402 settlement. Highest path reward requires the real USDTs for it that I have over here. Also, as we can see, standard trade contract deployment. This is for developers, and it is giving the reward of 1,000 seeds per deploy. This is for developers, and they can do it. Someone who knows how to do it will know how to conduct that. So it's asking for the chain number, the smart contract, of course, the name, and all of that, decimals, everything needs to be put in place for it to be done. I showed you how to do the logistic test. Here we can see also one great thing and one great test thing. Transfer via X402 gasless. Send test USDT or USDT without holding Aeix. Relayer pays the gas. You pay 0.01 test USDTs per transaction. And we can see over here balance is not 2000 because I sent, but overall we can see fees plus 0.01 tests, and I will input over here the same address, and I will input the amount of, let's say, 100 via this X402, which is truly great. And now we are asking again for signatures. Easy and simple confirmation of it. Easy and simple. It is submitting right now. Transaction has been done. So now, guys, in my balance we can see it has been added. I have 120 seeds. That is truly great. I have done one logistic test. I have done this X402 settlement, which was really easy, just pasting the wallet address of course, Aesc wallet, and the amount that I wanted to send, of course, in test USDTs, and it was charged to me, but it was in test USDT 0.01, as we can see over here. Now, one great thing for anyone who want to really get those seed coins, and it is here, it says boost code. Every day the Aesc team is sharing 3 boost codes that are active for 30 minutes once applied, for 60 minutes, sorry, once applied, and they are 3xing the amount or the tokens that you get for the tasks. So for the simple transfer that was 10 seed coins, I would get 30 if I activated boost code. For the thing that I have done, which is over here, the transfer via X402, I wouldn't get 100, I would get 300 if I use the code that is shared in Telegram community. So that is one more reason why someone who really wants to help, who want to collect these tokens, they need to be in their Telegram community and use those codes. They are shared daily, which is truly great. So each day there is one period and code that can be used, which is massive. Bug reports are also giving the seed points. It goes from 100 to 2000 depending on the bug, of course, itself. And there is one thing that says over here, AI agent and automation. This is one big thing, and someone who is using OpenClaw and has already and knows how to use it can copy this code and paste it in OpenClaw, and it will connect the AI agent automatically, or it can be set step by step. If you want me to show you that, you can ask that in the comments and I will make one separate video just for that. Agent feedback preferences, and we can see over here when only low value transfers remains, what should the agent do here, of course, things, and that agent itself that can be connected. That agent itself can do all these tasks automatically or for you. It can do the transaction, it can do other things, the settlement over here, anything can be done and just need to be synced every day. Someone can come and sync, of course, this info and get this seed balance to it, which is really great, and they are automating this process for anyone who wants to do it. Referral code can be found over here for anyone who wants to share their referrals. Of course, it will be implemented. There are also the community rewards for anyone who wants to get more of the points over here. As we can see, tasks like retweeting, of course, binding your Twitter handle as the first step, and then joining, following. There is also for Telegram, and overall it is how it is looking. We can see over here some leaderboards with the highest amount of the points that has been collected. Truly great overall. And guys, I think I explained to you everything. I have done 3 tasks, actually 2, but the second task that was X402 settlement was actually 2 things. One was the simple transfer and one was this test USDT or the transfer via X402. I hope that now you understand how someone like you, how I have just helped the Aesc seeds and their blockchain testnet that is now in development in conducting and testing their testnet, and I get these coins that will calculate and will be valuable once the airdrop comes and they drop their real tokens. So it is collecting something for the future once when their blockchain goes live. Here is their website that we started with, and here you can find all information before you maybe think and go and check the testnet itself. Also guys, big thing that we just mentioned, which is their community. So first of all, we have their X profile. Here it is, and we can see over here they're posting and updating people what is happening and what they are doing, and also their Telegram community as the must do, because those boost codes are shared on their Telegram itself, which is truly big thing, and it is 3xing your rewards that you get for the tasks that are done. Telegram is here. I will join it and be active part of it so we can together be there, which is truly great. I really love this project and love what they are doing. They're on the beginning, and I love to help projects that are on the beginning and to support them. I'm not sure if I have mentioned everything. If there is any questions or things that you didn't understand, leave that in the comment section. Also guys, in the description I have left the boost code that is connected to me, so it is my gift for you that you can get those 3x rewards just with using my own code. I'll finish the video right here about Aesc. Truly unique layer 1 blockchain that is being built in test phase right now and bringing something different and implementing crypto world into real world payments, which is truly massive step towards the acceptance of crypto in every day. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you want to see more videos like this, here is one that you can check out. It would be really appreciated from me, and also sub to the channel is always great. Thank you one more time for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.